Playing Scratch games on smartphones is a really annoying experience. So to fix this and make games actually fun to play on smartphones, a website has been created called Scratch Go. Scratch Go is a Game Boy style player for Scratch games on smartphones. You can just paste your game link here and it will open the game. Now you can map controls that work for that game using this button. You have the default Scratch control buttons here, a mute switch here, and a description button here. You can also favorite games, which you will be able to see later in this menu. You can see recently played, popular, and latest games here in this menu. Now let me show you some gameplay of my game Aeroplane, which has a special Scratch Go mode in it. And yeah, that's it. I think this will be helpful for a lot of you. Thank you for watching.